Suriname, Vietnam. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Secretary General. A recorded vote has been requested. We shall now begin the voting process. Those in favor of draft resolution A/67/L.28, please signify. Those against, and also the abstentions. Croatia votes against. Croatia is voting.
Yeah, that's what The General Assembly is now voting on draft resolution A/67/L28 entitled Status of Palestine in the United Nations. Will all delegations confirm that their votes are accurately reflected on the board?
Well, there are a lot of countries are missing, no? This one doesn't work. This one doesn't seem to work.
No, but there are some countries, some people are not there. I can. Exactly. The voting has been completed. Please lock the machine.
The result of the voting is as follows. In favor, 138. Opposed, 9. Abstentions, 41. I now call a short pause in the proceeding of this meeting.